India should really declare diabetes as a disability now. The expense of living with diabetes for an average household is 15,000 and Indian households में 11,000 एक नेट इनकम होती है घर की. तो पेरेंट्स के पास या तो ये होता है कि घर में खाना लेके आना है या बच्चे को इंसुलिन ग्लूकोज वगैरह देना है. CGM is so expensive.
Oh, don't ask. गलती से भी निकल गया.
हिल गया, ड्रेस में अटक गया, टी शर्ट में.
Don't ask.
पसीना चला गया तो waste.
Such terrible experience. Because I sweat a lot.
5,200 rupees for one batch of 14 days. स्कूल में बच्चे जब टॉफी बांटते थे लाइक
सिर्फ देख सकते हो, बैग में रखना पड़ता था मेरे को. पापा खाते थे फिर बाद में.
मुझे देते नहीं थे बच्चे. लाइक दे वर टोल्ड नॉट टू गिव इट टू मी.
तो मेरे पहले like the society where I used to stay, there were these parents who told their kids to stay away from me because she takes 4 injections. डायबिटीज टच से फैलता है. और मैं अभी हंस रही हूँ बट बैक देन यू नो वो टैग लगाया था कि डायबिटीज मतलब डिफरेंट. Hello there everyone. Today I am super duper excited for this episode. Firstly, let me introduce you to Harsh Kedia, who is the CEO and founder of Diabetic Chef and Conscious Mithai Wala. And we have lot of things common. So before we start the episode, I would like to say that this episode is going to be really inspiring for not only everyone but especially those who are just diagnosed with diabetes. And आपको बोलूँ कि डायबिटिक लोग जो होते हैं ना, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. ये एटीट्यूड हमेशा रखते ही है. एंड वी स्टार्ट ईच डे विथ रिन्यूड पावर, स्ट्रेंथ एंड डिटर्मिनेशन. एंड I also want to tell you that we'll be talking about our shared love for sweets because सब diabetics को sweet tooth तो होता ही है. So without further ado, let's dive into this sweet conversation. So firstly, welcome on Catch Up with Kiara.
I'm so excited to be here, Kiara. It's not even funny. It's very sweet of you to invite me. See, sweet of you to invite me.
Sweet.
Yeah. I'm really excited to see how this conversation unfolds. I have no idea of the questions you're going to ask me, so I'm not very nervous because I know a lot of things that you're going to ask me are going to be common for both of us. But let's see what you unfold.
It's like a diabetic understands a diabetic.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो let's get started. So firstly, something that we have in common, we both got diagnosed with diabetes at a very young age. I got diagnosed at the age of 2, whereas you got diagnosed at the age of 14.
Yeah.
teen era कैसे था वो?
The age of 14 in terms of diagnosis is a very strange time.
Correct, हाँ.
Strange because one day you're having, you as in like the so-called healthy, normal kids as they are called, you're having like Bonvita filled milk, Hershey's strawberry syrup and all of that. And the next morning, you're not allowed to have it. Like, I was just, since you've been off it, since you were a child, you never craved it or your body would not accept it. So for me, it used to be एक गिलास दूध में 2 चम्मच शक्कर, दाल चावल घी शक्कर. कभी रोटी नहीं खानी होती तो रोटी में घी और शक्कर.
Oh my.
So शक्कर was of course a very important back then part of my meals. कुछ भाता नहीं तो उसमें मसाला डालने के लिए या कुछ भी करने के लिए extra ketchup. I remember everything even made at home had to be spoiled with some amount of excessive carb just to have to consume it. And I think back in mind, I'm talking 14 years back now, my parents succumbed to it. They gave in because they just thought बच्चा है क्या ही होगा, you know, like बड़े होके eventually quit. Also, I was extremely obese.
Oh.
I used to weigh 106 kgs. I was 5'5", and school tiffins were a problem. And तभी ना, there was not so much information available. Insta, Facebook, कुछ नहीं था तभी. There was no internet. I don't even think my mom owned a phone back then. There was a telephone, like landline. She must have just gotten off phone with basic texting and stuff. And it was a sort of sense of shame for the family to have a diabetic kid. Not for anything, but like a societal pressure that now they have to live with a child with diabetes.
वो taunts पढ़ते ही रहते हैं.
यार सोच के रोना आ जाता है कि ऐसी weird age में जब दूसरे बच्चे जा रहे हैं बाहर टिफिन क्या बोलते हैं कैंटीन से खा रहे हैं kids are going
And
out
we are
to
just
eat.
looking at them. It's like, oh, ऐसे होता है कि lucky यार खा रहा है ये.
I know, right? I
I totally
I think of
understand.
it, yeah. Like स्कूल में बच्चे जब टॉफी बांटते थे, like I don't know, we have a considerable age gap, but
No, no, I have
हमारे
faced this. I have.
स्कूल में जब चॉकलेट बांटते थे,
सिर्फ देख सकते हैं वो बैग में ही रखना पड़ता था मेरे को. पापा खाते थे फिर बाद में.
हाँ, and in my case मुझे देते नहीं थे बच्चे, like they were told not to give it to me. It was a very, see that's what I'm saying, no, your time of being diagnosed and having it and growing up in school, you were conditioned from home. For me it was more like I was scared, you know, I was scared to eat. Like I went into this whole mind block that anything which tastes sweet is wrong, anything that tastes spicy can be fine. स्पाइसी
हाँ.
सेवरी जो भी बोल लो बिकॉज तभी उतना नॉलेज अवेलेबल मेरे को भी नहीं था एंड आई फील लाइक फॉर मी नॉट कटिंग माय 15th बर्थडे केक वाज द बिगेस्ट हार्ट ब्रेक
My.
बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक अगर शुगर फ्री नहीं है अगर मैं नहीं खा सकता तो कोई नहीं खाएगा
Oh.
एंड देन आउट ऑफ पिटी जॉय और व्हाटएवर I'd invited 16 kids out of which 3 showed up
Oh.
and we went to Pizza Hut and I could not have most things there.
Because carbs.
कार्ब्स का
Yes.
कंसेप्ट ही नहीं था यार
अच्छा वो
तभी तो मैं
back
वही तो
then
बोल रहा
वो
हूँ
था ही नहीं
स्वीट
डायबिटीज का
हाँ
ये
लाइक
सब.
वो इन्फॉर्मेशन
Correct,
नहीं
तो
था
वो
तो
मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर लाइक कि स्वीट ही बंद होता है. दे डोंट नो कि
कार्ब्स
कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स
क्या
इज
होता है
आल्सो देयर.
करेक्ट तो तभी था कि तभी कार्ब्स नहीं तभी जंक फूड बोलते थे एंड ये तो था ही नहीं ना कि घर में बना हुआ खाना सब खाओ अच्छा होता है बट ये कौन बताएगा कि चावल का
एक्चुअली
ऐसा होता है गेहूं
it
का
has
ऐसा
too
होता है
much
there's a lot
carbs.
of
True
yeah
that.
surprisingly even today roti spikes my glucose worse than rice
Same.
really
Yeah, I'm not joking.
Oh, damn. But my
Roti
rice
and
is okay.
bhakri, I'm telling you.
भाकरी तो हमारे घर में नहीं बनती बट फल का स्पाइक्स में
हाँ.
शुगर इज वर्स देन चावल
I've experienced it. Too much to
yeah
relate
and it's
to.
so strange like and there is no singular approach to diabetes like there is no rule book कि हर इतने से इतने एज के बच्चों को ये खाने से ये होगा ये खाने से होगा ऐसा नहीं है कि कियारा के जो फूड खाने से हर्ष को इतना इफेक्ट आएगा कियारा एंड हर्ष आर टू डिफरेंट बॉडीज
Which people don't tend to understand.
yeah so 14-year-old with diabetes was messed up as I would like to say um, I was told to not take up any profession
Oh.
that would be intensive for the body, which is why they said ki I wanted to I wanted to be a doctor or a lawyer.
Okay.
Doctor for the same reason that I'm a diabetic and I wanted to help diabetic kids. Is something that I don't talk about often because I feel people will make fun of me.
No, why? Yeah.
Considering my grades are extremely poor in school. And I wanted to be a lawyer because I've always been a very argumentative kid. Which naturally meant I was an ace debater.
Oh wow.
So back at home, there would be a lot of reasoning. कि ऐसा क्यों? मुझे डायबिटीज क्यों? दूसरे बच्चों को तो नहीं है. आप ऐसा मुझे क्यों बोल रहे हो? The queue never ended, and I feel our parents are never able to answer. Maybe after you got of good age of understanding, because you learned how to prick your finger
That is
before you
there.
learned 2 + 2.
That's true.
तुम्हें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के पहले इंसुलिन डोज कंट्रोल मालूम था, because you were that young. So same way I was like, why me? What? Why? And then we tend to question our parents sometimes that why is it happening to me and not to other kids? Did you have that?
Many times I'm like, because I'll tell you, I've had such weird experiences. I'll share a very hilarious moment. तो मेरे पहले, like the society where I used to stay, there were these parents who told their kids to stay away from me
वरना तुमको भी
because
हो
she
जाएगा.
takes 4 injections. डायबिटीज टच से फैलता है. और मैं अभी हंस रही हूँ, बट बैक देन वो टैग लगाया था कि डायबिटीज मतलब डिफरेंट. you're different.
Diabetic, not different. It was something I wrote. स्कूल में हुआ था मेरे साथ. Some kids, there was this whole widespread laughter thing now that I'm just like, I just couldn't care enough. But kids would just be like, don't go near him. If he
ये
touches
टच
you,
से
you'll also
फैलता है. मैंने
touch
बोला
it.
हे
I'm like, यार ये
राम,
क्या बोल रहे हो?
गुस्सा आता है बहुत.
गुस्सा आता है और स्कूल में कितना ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो. Like of that age now that I think of it, I'm like, sensitization is important. But back in the day, it still gives me chills. Like I'm like, एक तो being an obese kid, and not the conventionally
And plus
very.
the teen area, you have to look a certain way. If you don't
Yeah.
look like that, वो friend group से निकाल देते हैं. ये मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ है. She's fat. No, she can't be a part of a
You were a
group.
fat kid too.
I was chubby, थोड़ा
हाँ.
गोल मटोल kind.
I don't know if it's a diabetic kid thing or not, but yeah, because most kids I know who were diabetic were either very fat or they were very
Skinny.
because extreme weight loss. Wow. We are more alike than I could imagine.
But
And experiences also.
I mean, I'm like, it's crazy. But you know, support, parents ka support in this situation matters a lot. Like,
Yeah.
I was glad, I was fortunate for, you know, the way my parents were,
Yeah.
like, they were always there for me.
Yeah.
And it never, उनको क्या था, तू फिक्र मत कर, we are there with you. But your relatives, वो तो होता है, सब relatives का होता है.
नाम लेना.
नहीं छोड़ो. So during COVID, you know, I gained a lot of weight. नो एक्सरसाइज कुछ नहीं. मैं घर पे बैठ के बस ये लॉकडाउन कभी उठेगा. लॉकडाउन उठा, मैं गई मेरे नहीं कुछ बोलना नहीं है, नाम बोलना ही नहीं है कुछ. आई वेंट टू मीट समवन आई वेंट टू मीट समवन एंड दे वर लाइक हाँ कितनी दाढ़ी झाले, मीन्स यू बिकम सो फैट, डबल चिन. मेरे को ना रोना आ रहा था व्हेन आई गॉन टू मीट दैट पर्सन. आई वाज लाइक आई हैव कम आफ्टर सो मेनी मंथ्स. ऐसे पैम्पर करना चाहिए, मेरे को उल्टा ही बोल रही है.
I met someone recently. Lockdown तो I had gained फटे weight. I had gained like 10-12 kgs because घर में बैठे हैं,
हाँ.
availability नहीं है, mentally इतना traumatizing है कि so you're a sports person. I'm someone who travels a lot and
Correct, हाँ.
who's always like on the go working, going here and there. थोड़ा भी होता है ना movement हो जाता है यार. घर से निकलो दुकान. अभी तो I have a store. Back then I had to go to my office, then go for meetings and pitches. Falana. Something or the other would happen
होता
right
रहता
now.
है, correct.
Wake up on the same bed, be depressed about like not being able to go out, lie on the same bed, work, eat on the same bed and sleep. So, and also the body was going through its own share of trauma because mentally, emotionally also we're just like क्या होगा पता
वो तो
नहीं.
है ही.
क्योंकि डर बैठ चुका था ना कि अगर डायबिटिक बच्चे हैं और कोविड हो
कोविड
गया
हो गया तो
we are screwed.
screwed
मेरे को 2 बार
royally.
हुआ.
Oh, how did you handle it, यार?
I don't know how I handled it. Second COVID hit, I lost a chunk of my memory.
Oh,
So now I have, it's not funny, but I have memory issues now. Like I can't remember a lot of things. It's
Are
been
you
a side
serious?
effect. Yeah, it's
Oh
a side
God.
effect of COVID for me.
my God,
My
यार.
memory is very weak. And people are just like, oh, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? I'm like, हुआ है लोगों को, मेरे को हुआ है. Maybe it'll take a few years to recover. And for लोगों का जो 2-3 दिन वाला कोविड था, मेरा 8 या 10 दिन चला था because my immunity had become so weak.
Oof, my God,
My
यार.
sugars were just like, मैं कुछ नहीं खा रहा था. कुछ भी नहीं. I used to have black tea, which is like having water. I used to have मेरा protein roti, थोड़ा बहुत सब्जी. And being around diabetic people, my parents are also diabetic, so we were too scared to meet each other.
Oh,
So there was almost like 3 weeks I didn't meet my parents. Adjacent houses. तो कोई आके थाली रख के जाता
जाता
था,
था.
खा के उसको धो के वापस
वो
रखो.
ग्लव्स पहन के वो. अच्छा,
Then
they
घर
used to
बंद.
keep.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And then my bhabhi would leave.
Oh my.
I didn't leave.
Must have been stressful, यार.
Yeah.
But your sugar levels fluctuated, obviously.
I was too scared to check for most of it.
Oof.
Like I was just so petrified. अपने को बोलने में अच्छा लगता है ना कि yeah we're like हम cool diabetic बच्चे हम देख लेंगे but नहीं
भाई,
होता है वो.
cool नहीं. It's
अरे वो ग्लूकोमीटर देख के ऐसे जान जाती है कि यार
Hey,
इसको
you're saying
prick कर
cool?
लूं.
Sir, some तो kids told me you're lucky you're diabetic. I'm laughing. They seriously said
ऐसे
that.
कोई अभी तक इंडिया में ना
अरे यार
guys,
तू
by the
कितनी
way,
lucky है ऐसे
कोई
बोलते
कोटा
हैं.
नहीं आया है.
हाँ.
कोटा होता तो like I it's sad to say what I'm going to say but India should really declare diabetes as a disability now because the expense of living with diabetes for an average household is 15,000 and Indian households में 11,000 एक net income होती है घर की तो पेरेंट्स के पास या तो ये होता है कि घर में खाना लेके आना है या बच्चे को इंसुलिन ग्लूकोज वगैरह देना है तो वो एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है एंड कोटा सिस्टम वाइज तो हम डिसेबिलिटी में मतलब इट्स सो फनी हाउ आई एम सेइंग बट देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी.
That is there. We are considered only अलग. तुम अलग हो.
अलग और लोगों को लकी किस बात का लगता है गॉड फॉरबिड कोई बच्चे को हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक अटैक नींद में आए तो क्या हालत होती है.
अरे I've not told this to a lot of people, but whenever I sleep,
हाँ
मेरा ना like suppose I'm sleeping at 10 o'clock ना मैं every 1 hour I keep an alarm. जिंदा हूँ ना मैं, because डर
Every day?
लगता है. हाँ, मेरे को डर
Every
लगता है.
day?
मेरे को डर लगता है मेरा शुगर, because I've had such terrible
तो CGM क्यों नहीं
experiences.
पहनती?
I'm wearing. तो every 1 hour I wake up, check, keep it down, because मेरे को
Don't.
बहुत
I don't think it's a healthy thing to do.
I've been told, but you know वो
तुम
एक
फिर
डर रहता
मोबाइल
है.
से लिंक कर लो, डेक्सकॉम पहन लो या कोई ब्रांड पहन लो. This is
I'm
not
like, I
an
just check,
endorsement.
it's normal. अरे because I've had such terrible experiences. I sleep alone. तो कभी once तो मैं बेड से गिर गई हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया में.
I woke up with hyper attack in this today morning. आज बहुत दिनों बाद मेरे को आया. 5 a.m. I am full top to bottom drenched in sweat. AC is
Oh, I know,
21.
पूरा गरम
और मेरा गला
गर्मी.
सूख गया. I'm just like, I can't breathe. I've woken up ऐसा, and I'm like, I need to get the my body responded. Harsh, wake up. And I've just gotten up like this. I'm sitting. I'm like, I'm not able to breathe. I need water. I've chugged a full bottle of water. I had a small glucose tablet. I took it. I sucked on it, and then I went back to sleep. फिर 3 घंटे बाद वापस I was like, and उतनी नींद में prick करने का मन नहीं करता है. And one more lucky fact is that this CGM is so expensive.
Oh, don't ask. गलती से भी निकल गया.
हिल गया, ड्रेस में अटक गया, टी-शर्ट में.
Don't ask. I've
पसीना
had
चला गया तो waste.
such terrible experience. Because I sweat a lot.
5,200 rupees for one patch of 14 days.
I have experiences में डर लगता है मेरे को कभी वर्कआउट के टाइम पहनने के लिए. And plus, you know, I get this skin rashes because of the tape.
यार, see, अभी तो कम हो गया बिकॉज़ 2 महीना हो गया, बट ये मेरे को ऐसे दाने 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 उसके आसपास हो जाते हैं जहाँ पर
God,
पहनता हूँ.
अरे प्लस वो टेप की वजह से इतना स्किन रैश होता है that you can't remove. You still
स्किन
can't
टाइप्स
remove.
भी कितने अलग अलग होते हैं.
ये लकी लगता है लोगों को, क्या बोले.
और अपने जो पॉइंट ऑफ प्रिकिंग होता है ये लोग कभी समझ नहीं पाएंगे, बट वो एरिया इतना सेंसिटिव हो जाता है प्रिक कर करके, और एक पॉइंट के बाद नम हो जाता है कि
दर्द भी होता है बाद में.
वो तो दर्द होता है लाइक. एंड जो ब्रीदिंग स्पेस देना पड़ता है अपने आर्म्स को, उस ड्यूरेशन में ऑर्डर लगता है कि यार अभी उठा रहा है CGM तो खा लेते हैं.
तो बहुत बार हो चुका है ऐसे.
Oh
तो
my god, this is so sad, but it's so true. And we relate to it because
we understand.
we go through it, we live through it. This is our reality now.
But it's like that's what to the people, you know, who feel you're very lucky. There's nothing like lucky here. But yeah, we will obviously not take diabetes in a negative way. अभी जीना है diabetes के साथ.
Yeah.
So we try to take it in positive way. But अभी लोगों का काम भी है कहना, तो वो उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Sometimes I feel you're too mature for your age, which is a good thing. But that's one thing that we all go through as kids living with diabetes, because we are taught the time of medicine before time of studies. Like हमें बोला जाता है कि ये बजे से इतने बजे ये खाना है. Disciplined food habits, disciplined medical habits. So we have to grow up earlier than our age.
That is them. You have to get that maturity, because for me it's like getting independent.
Yeah.
For a diabetic, getting independent is very difficult because you know, I will tell you, I need my parents because पता नहीं कभी hypo आ जाएगा. I've had like my mom was out and my dad had gone for his coaching practice. I was asleep. I was like मस्त dark chocolate खा के I slept. And I'm like, where am I? Like हिल रहा है, मेरा पूरा सर हिल रहा है. And my sugar had gone to some 30 or 20. I was मैं जमीन पे हूँ. I'm like, कोई help करो. Door was closed. I could not talk. मैं क्या हूँ, कहाँ हूँ, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And I was like,
How
what
did
should I
you
do?
manage?
For 1 hour I was just on the like on the floor ऐसे कि कोई आएगा. My mom opened and she's like, oh God Kiara, what is happening? They rushed, सब sweets डाला and all. But obviously that's why parent support is necessary. But again, you should not call diabetes lucky, because we go through a roller coaster यार.
It happened to me when I was on a train once. Randomly, I've gotten out of work.
हाँ.
I'm fine till a certain point. Suddenly my eyes rolled up and I blacked out.
Oof,
And this is
I
Dadar
know.
station. Dadar station.
Oh, बाप रे.
एक तरफ से क्राउड निकल रहा है, एक तरफ से क्राउड आ रहा है. एंड जो दरवाजा होता है ना ट्रेन स्टेशन का, लाइक जो दरवाजा होता है, आई एम हैंगिंग because there's a crowd that's pushing me, there's a crowd that's pushing me
Oh
out.
God.
And if either had stopped, I would be like down there. Luckily, I had a colleague with me So now we don't know if it was a panic episode or it was hypoglycemia. Now in retrospect, they're intersectional.
I know.
So diabetes affects mental health also. That can lead,
I
like
know.
when you're extremely hypo, it can lead to a panic episode because your body is going in shock. Like your body does not know.
Yes.
So you start feeling breathless. You're like कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आँख बंद हो रही है. तो वो मेरे को ऐसे पकड़ के रखी. Now God bless her soul, how she held on to me because. And back then I was still a lot skinnier like than today. I'm talking like 6 years back. This was a public incident.
Oh.
I remember faintly she was screaming in the train. किसी के पास पानी है, किसी के पास पानी है, कोई छींटा मारो. Nobody helped. And in a city like Mumbai, कोई ना कोई तो help करता, किसी ने नहीं किया.
My God.
She dragged me out, put me. Maybe that was a bad day. She dragged me out, put me on the station. They stopped the train or whatever. वो फ्रूटी या कुछ तो फ्रूटी सब्स्टिट्यूट मिलता है वो लेके आई. अब बेचारी को मालूम नहीं था मैं I'm allergic to fruity. I can't even say
My
it.
God. Wow.
So whenever I have fruity, my lungs puff up.
Oh.
So अब मेरी सांस वैसे ही चढ़ रही थी. मैंने फ्रूटी पी ली कि मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था तो तभी कुछ नहीं हुआ. तभी मैं sugars normal हुए. Then my chest is puffing up. Now both of us didn't know what is happening. तो मैं उठ तो गया अब सांस नहीं जा रही. तो yeah like.
That must have been
हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया या
people don't understand hypo.
नींद में अब बढ़ गया है. लाइक पहले इतना नहीं होता था.
हाँ.
पहले तो पार्टी वार्टी करके आते थे, सो जाते थे हम लोग, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं, इट्स ऑल
बट
फाइन.
नींद में बहुत डर लगता है. लाइक द अदर डे ओनली मैंने अलार्म वापस लगाया था. आई वाज स्लीपिंग इन द
बट
आफ्टरनून.
एवरी आवर
आवर समटाइम्स 2 hours. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट्स
तुम पूरा व्हाई डोंट यू गेट फुल
मेरे को
स्लीप?
अच्छा नींद भी आता है पर मैं सिर्फ चेक करती हूँ. हाँ नॉर्मल है, चलो सो जाओ.
दैट्स वेरी इरेगुलर स्लीप. इट्स नॉट हेल्दी.
आई नो बट आई एम लाइक ठीक है. आई कैन
But
स्लीप
figure a way, no?
पीसफुली.
Like, see, there's always like, maybe you know, maybe you don't. So there's a sensor that you can put on your CGM that connects to your phone.
ओह
It transmits data via Bluetooth.
हाँ तो वही है, फोन पे ही है.
अरे, what you're saying is NFC करना पड़ता है ना?
हाँ स्कैन.
वो automatically होता है.
ओह देखना.
So if your body goes into hypo, then it starts ringing and then you wake up.
ओह I should check this
Yeah.
out. Every
Watch पे भी
diabetic
लगता है.
should.
Watch पे भी लगता है. वो मेरे को नहीं मालूम. इंडिया में कितना अवेलेबल. I'll send you the link. You put it on your video.
Every diabetic listen to this.
It's like a device thing. It's like a magnetic or something that goes on your watch, your phone and your CGM.
Wow.
It transmits data. जैसे Dexcom करता है ना CGM से सीधा इंसुलिन पंप में.
Correct.
वैसा because अभी तक I don't think there's technology that lights up the CGM की
I
अपने
know.
आप वो डेटा जाएगा. अपन को चेक करना पड़ता है तब वो टप 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 तब बचता है उसका जब
वो लो होता है.
जब दिखाते हैं अपन उसमें.
बट नहीं, every diabetic
Yeah,
check
you guys
that
should.
out.
मतलब जिनसे हो सकता है whoever can is currently able to do so, please do so.
I want to know your thought now. अभी बहुत लोगों को लगता है
Yeah.
कि टाइप 1 और टाइप 1.5 डायबिटीज़ क्योर हो जाता है. वो what are your thoughts on this?
The thing is that I have very strong opinions on this, by the way. There's a difference between an autoimmune and there is a difference between a health disorder, lifestyle disorder. So type 2 is a lifestyle disorder, type 1 is an autoimmune disease. Now autoimmune basically means that it's a disorder, it's a disease in your body that starts killing immunity cells, वगैरह वगैरह. It starts collapsing your other organs. It degenerates over time, but if controlled, it can work for a long run. Like I know type 1 diabetics who've been around for 80, 100 years living. So we do have scope. But type 2 diabetes on the other the other segment is it works more to do with how much sleep, how much food, how much medicine, how much control, which is again a part of type 1, but it's mota-moti more or less similar. In type 2 diabetes, I'll give you an example. This is an analogy that I keep mentioning. Suppose there's a lock and there's a key. Now, in type 2 diabetes, the lock is your body and the key is your pancreas.
बराबर.
तो वो की रस्टेड है और थोड़ा सा बेंट है, बट वो जाता है लॉक में और खुलता है.
That is true.
In type 1 diabetes, the key does not exist.
That is true. That's
So-
actually a very good thing you said.
Yeah, the pancreas don't exist. They're pretty much zero.
To those who don't
To
understand.
those who don't understand, and the external source of insulin acts as a spare key. You'll have to use the spare key every time you want to operate
Opening. That is there.
the lock, which is your body. So, the external source of insulin is required permanently for type 1 and type 1.5. In most cases of type 1.5, it requires insulin. However, there are years till metformin can work out. You don't need insulin as such unless intervention is there. So, coming to the next part of it, जब आपके बॉडी में कोई ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट नहीं होता तो उसको फंक्शनल करने के लिए टू मेक दैट पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी फंक्शन यू नीड एक्सटर्नल investigation and intervention and help, which is why it's not a cure unless there is a transplant, which I don't think has been ever done.
Nope.
In my knowledge and understanding. So that's about it.
I actually get on most of my diabetic videos I get so many comments कि ये कुछ तो ये थेरेपी ट्राई करो वो थेरेपी लाइक मैं मेरे साथ आर्ग्यू करते हैं भाई मैं खुद की बॉडी को समझती हूँ बट people who are not even diabetic are arguing with me. So I'm
यार
like,
ये वही होता है ना कि अभी तुम तो छोटे हो बट लाइक जो जिनकी शादी नहीं होती उनके पास सबसे बेस्ट ओपिनियन होते हैं शादी के बारे में. Like people who are unmarried have the best opinions about अरे तुमको ये करना चाहिए अरे तुम्हारी शादी हुई क्या? What do you know about marriage?
that is there.
It's like people giving, everyone has opinions, but people giving me advice about like making mithai or chocolates and stuff. I'm like, तुम कौन सा चॉकलेट और मिठाई बनाते हो कि तुम मुझे सिखा रहे हो? खा के तो सबको ओपिनियन होता है. वैसे डायबिटिक को देख के सबके पास ओपिनियन होता है कि हाँ तुम ये ट्राई करो वो ट्राई करो. मैंने इससे सुना है. अरे तुमने सुना नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास ओपिनियन व्हाट्सएप में पढ़ के आया है. This Ramdev Baba's whole nonsense. He got arrested because a type 1 diabetic kid died.
I've been like, I
They
mean,
are
I'm
like,
nothing
"Tum
against
jao."
it. I would say that it doesn't
You
cure
can censor,
diabetes.
you
It
can
might
censor
help.
Ramdev, but
It might help, but it can't cure.
yeah, it
Nothing
can't. It's starvation. Like we are not in 1820. The cure that they talk about is starvation. तू बता कि
मर
तेरे
जाएंगे
को
diabetics.
exactly
Because if we
तेरे को सिर्फ
starve
जामुन
ourselves-
पाउडर दिया और फिर तू
Oh,
उस पे
that is
इंसुलिन
good.
लेगी तो क्या होगा तेरे को? Are you understanding? If I'm giving you aloe vera juice, Karela juice, blah blah blah, there is just fructose and fibers. Can you work on fructose and fiber?
Obviously not. We need a full,
You need
it's a
fat, you need
balanced
calories.
meal.
Correct. You're
लोगों को
burning.
समझ
now.
में नहीं आता. Like there are people behind me. Try this. अरे मैंने बोला नहीं. Thank you, but I don't want to try. अरे नहीं नंबर ले. अरे मैं बोला छोड़ दो मुझे अकेला.
मुझे अभी ये आए थे मेरी शॉप में. स्वीट
बहुत
पर्सन.
इरिटेट होता है.
पहला क्वेश्चन था अरे तुम बहुत फैल रहे हो. I'm like, you've met me after 6-7 months. The first thing you want to tell me is कि तुम फैल रहे हो. I'm like,
Oh God.
there is this interrelationship between bad mental health and like uncontrolled diabetes, which is intersecting. Like they're just interacting with each other so much कि because of bad mental health now sugar levels are not controlled, because sugar levels are not controlled bad mental health is happening, and I'm like so confused. And दोनों के like when both come together, bad mental health and bad sugar levels, bro,
Oh God.
वेट गेन तो
पूछो
होना है
मत.
क्योंकि मेडिसिन बढ़ाता है डॉक्टर. वो बोली कि अब ये दवाई लो. My hunger went 3 times,
Oh,
3x,
oh my.
because she's like this will help you sleep, but she forgot to tell me that it will make me hungry.
Oh God.
And you know when hunger
Ay
hits,
Rama. When our sugar, especially when our sugar goes low, तो वो अलग ही hunger.
अलग hunger होता है, गुस्सा आता है एकदम.
चाहिए. And you know, I have a thing. I don't know if it's with you also.
Yeah.
I either need very sweet food or either very spicy food or very salty food.
Yeah,
Like if
bland food does not work.
हाँ एक
Can't give me boiled eggs or
but
like
you know
paneer
if
and
I
shit.
want sweet I will not have salty or spicy. मेरे को sweet मतलब sweet ही चाहिए.
मेरे को उतना नहीं होता
पता
sweet
है
के
मेरे को
साथ.
तो I'm like नहीं मेरे
मुझे
को sweet ही
चटपटा
चाहिए.
चाहिए जब मेरे को like hypo हो रहा है. Like
I love
Kurkura.
Kurkure is not good obviously for your health. It's good as a cheat meal but मेरे को Kurkure, Lays and all I crave because obviously when your sugar goes low you just grab anything and
but
everything.
गला सूख जाता है तो तुम डाइजेस्ट पानी स्प्राइट.
तो ग्लूकॉन डी तो जाता है बट भूख लगता है बहुत. तो डॉक्टर हैड सजेस्ट मी दैट ग्लूकॉन डी इज द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन But he said that you should have fruits. Fruits and all is obviously good.
पर फ्रूट्स को टाइम लगता है
हाँ।
शुगर्स को नॉर्मलाइज
तो
करने के लिए.
बिस्किट वगैरह मेरे को ऐसे भूख लगता था, grab everything and anything. I'm like नहीं, कंट्रोल ही
Oh my
नहीं
God,
होता
I
है
just
यार.
remembered an incident. You laugh at me. I mean,
अरे यार डायबिटिक की तो एक डायबिटिक को समझ सकता है.
bro. That day, I had. This is a crazy hypo episode. Like crazy. मैं डिनर किया है.
Oh God.
मैंने इज्जत से डिनर किया है. And usually I'm like skipping, eating, खा रहे नहीं खा रहे. 1.5 से 2 घंटे बाद, I have eaten this. The chef in me never goes to sleep. No,
हाँ.
I'm like अब तो मैं कुछ बनाऊंगा.
हाँ.
तो मैंने कासुंदी, कोलकाता मस्टर्ड आता है ना जो
Yum.
नॉन ग्राउंड मस्टर्ड को थोड़ा केचप डाल के उसका
हाँ.
पेस्ट सॉसी पेस्ट बनाया. उसके साथ मैंने चेन्नई से मेरा एक फ्रेंड कजन टाइप से वो आ रहा था, बनाना चिप्स.
हाँ.
उसके साथ में रुक जा.
It's like oof.
उसके साथ में I've taken like vanilla ice cream.
हाँ.
उसके ऊपर मैंने हमारा चॉकलेट स्प्रेड डाला है. अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक एपिसोड तो चालू हो चुका है, पर मुझे ये खाना है फैंसी बना के. I'm eating. यार, I don't eat like this, but now at one point I'm like I'm still gonna faint. So I've taken the chips and I've dipped it in vanilla ice cream and I'm eating and I'm like कुछ भी मिलेगा मैं खाएगा.
But ये खाना ही.
ये खाना है, मतलब ये ऐसे खाना है. उस दिन आया था.
वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, मेरे साथ भी होता है. मेरे को मीठा
मैंने
चाहिए,
2
मीठा
डब्बी
ही
चॉकलेट
चाहिए.
स्प्रेड खाई है उस दिन, 50 ग्राम एक साथ.
वाओ.
मैं खुद के लिए पोर्शन करके रख लेता हूँ.
हाँ.
छोटी डब्बियों में, ताकि मुझे माइंडफुल ईटिंग रहे थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि वो स्प्रेड का जार दिखता है तो ऐसे करके फिनिश.
But this diabetic chef and conscious मिठाई वाला the concept, I तो admire it. डायबिटिक के लिए तो जन्नत है. What was your thought process? Also, I love the tiramisu पेड़ा and the jalebis. उस सोच के ही मुंह में पानी आ रहा है अभी तो.
यार बस अभी वो तेरे को तेरे घर पहुंचने तक मिलेगा आज या कल.
Already
See, the concept of both the brands was the same. Like the idea behind it was the same, exact same. What had happened was juvenile diabetic, and हर फंक्शन में बुली होना by relatives.
तो होता है
बेटा तुम तो
given.
नहीं खा सकते, बेटा तुम आपके लिए नहीं है, आपके लिए नहीं है, आप वहां जाओ. सब बच्चे बैठे हैं डिनर पे. अब मैंने बोला क्या मेरे को खाने का है? नहीं ना, मैं चुपचाप बैठा हूँ ना अपना कॉर्नर में. नहीं,
वो उनको
उंगली
पोकिंग
करने का.
करना ही रहता
पोकिंग
है.
करना. अभी मेरे 6-7 कजिन बैठ के खा रहे हैं वो क्या हॉट सिजलर प्लेट
उफ.
ब्राउनी. तो टेंशन में अपन करेंगे अपना खुद का एक दिन. they're eating hot chocolate sauce brownie sizzler. Like, oh, I'm so sorry, we can't. Did I ask you for it? I didn't ask.
वही तो बिना पूछे ही वो
मैंने
बता देते
मांगा.
हैं.
और कभी कभी मैं बोलता हूँ मैं थोड़ा खा लेता हूँ. अरे नहीं, इसमें बहुत शुगर है. अब तू मुझे क्यों बता रहा है?
एक बाइट से इतना कुछ वैसे
अरे
भी
कुछ
फर्क
नहीं होता यार, इतना मतलब
वही
क्या
तो,
ही हो
but
जाएगा
लोगों
यार.
को वो लगता है एक
People
बाइट
are
में.
like,
हाँ.
1.5 ग्राम शुगर जाने वाला है. डेली अलाउंस कितना तेरा? 6-8 6 to 8 ग्राम्स अलाउड है अगर नॉर्मल ग्लूकोज लेवल्स है. तो मैं बोला कि यार ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, बट ठीक है. So those thoughts, plus of course what started happening was बर्थडे केक नहीं मिलना. बहुत इरिटेशन था मेरे को उसका.
I know.
बर्थडे केक कैसे नहीं काटना, और अगर मेरा केक है तो मैं काट के खाऊंगा. You know, like my brother has grown up with a sweet tooth. My of course Marwadi family. आज थियोब्रोमा की ब्राउनी खानी है, लो 15 का केक खाना है, इसका ये खाना है, ऐसे खाना है. भाई तुम खा सकते तो मैं क्यों नहीं खाऊंगा? मैं भी बनाऊंगा.
बराबर.
फिर आस्पर्टेम बेस्ड अपना शुगर फ्री, लाइट शुगर फ्री, व्हाटएवर, गोल्ड नेचुरल. अब उठा लिया, मैं ले आया, मैं बोला मैं इससे बनाऊंगा. सरप्राइजिंगली इट वाज वेरी गुड. आज लगा रे वाह, ये तो टेस्टी भी है. एंड पीपल कीप आस्किंग मी हु डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम. लाइक हमारा स्टाफ भी पूछता है मुझे कि भाई आपको किसने सिखाया. आई एम लाइक कोई था ही नहीं.
एक्चुअली
तो कौन था अपने इंडियन मिठाई या केक स्पेस में जो शुगर फ्री कर रहा था बैक 12 ईयर 10?
तभी तो डायबिटीज किसी को पता
भी नहीं था क्या होता है.
अरे मेरे को तो ऑलरेडी फनी इंसिडेंट. लोगों को लगा कि मैं सो एट द एज ऑफ 2 माय मॉम टुक मी टू वेरियस डॉक्टर्स एंड ऑल. दे थॉट आई एम साइकोपैथ. दे कुड नॉट फिगर आउट कि इसको डायबिटीज है.
Nobody.
जब
How
भी
did
मैं
your glucose get tested?
सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज you know, I had those symptoms of diabetes. Obviously, I lost weight, constant urination and all. 2 साल की थी तो मेरे को उतना कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. Obviously, Dad had gone for his matches. He came back and my mom was figuring out कि every doctor we are going no solution. ये psychopathic kidney problem है, ये सब बोल रहे थे. So my dad came and he's like, my mom's name Shweta. Shweta, Kiara has lost a lot of weight. What has happened to her? My mom was like, I've taken her to every doctor. We are trying to. So for them also, it was so stressful. Dad had a match next day. He said, I'm not going. Something is about to happen. I have a feeling. And the same night, I was in high sugar coma. So like, yeah, I fought death, and I'm proud to say that. And what?
So when you were high, you had high fever वगैरह वगैरह.
हाँ तो मैं I collapsed. My eyes were like this and all. So we went to some other doctor. We figured out कोई और doctor है. He looked at me and he's like, she's in high sugar coma. Take nearest hospital जो भी है उसको लेके जाओ. And when I hear that, obviously मेरे को बहुत emotional लगता है because Dad left his match and you know his gut feeling was right. If he would have gone for the match, I don't even know if you know I would have been alive. And thankful to God and my parents. But you know वही तो है doctors यार, imagine.
15 years back की बात कर रहे हो.
16
years
17
back,
yeah.
I was also 14 years back. So we're at the same timeline.
Same time.
Yeah, we're on the same timeline.
Back then the understanding was not there. Because psychopath या kidney problem, मैंने बोला ये क्या, अभी मैं सुनती हूँ मेरे को हंसी आती है because people were not aware about diabetes. And they still are not. They have too many misconceptions and you know that poking, ये कर वो बटाटा मत खा, शक्कर मत खा. मैंने बोला शक्कर एक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी होता है, वो लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता.
अरे लोगों को लगता है sugar is sugar. Like Hindi wala sugar versus like sugar and sugar. And I'm like, no, it's not how it works. Like.
So now one last question I have in my mind is, you know, कि insulin is like looked as if बाप रे क्या है वो. You know, I am proud, you're proud of being diabetic, and we don't care. We can take our injection, you know, in open at a restaurant.
Yeah.
But you know, there are people जिनको diabetes just diagnose होता है तो वो डॉक्टर को पहले बोलते हैं आप एक्सरसाइज बोलो, आप डाइट बोलो, दवाइयाँ दो, बट इंसुलिन मत दो. दे फील लाइक इंसुलिन, लाइक टेकिंग इंसुलिन इज लाइक क्या ले रहे हो ऐसे. इट्स लाइक अ डर्टी थिंग इज यू नो. But we know that how helpful it is, and you even mentioned that insulin is the
It's a
only
spare key to the
solution.
body.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What do you want to tell, you know, those people, because there is that audience who need to know about this from a diabetic again.
See, here's the thing, right? जिस दर्द की दवा एक दवा है वो वही है. Like, you can't give me antacids for a headache.
Yeah.
Unless the underlying condition is gas. Similarly, giving very emotional conversation. Similarly, like giving someone cough medicine who has a heart condition. Insulin is needed for controlling glucose levels. There is no two ways of diabetic medication because most diabetic medication is not used to just control glucose levels but to safeguard pancreas. Metformin हो गया, pioglitazone हो गया.
Correct.
These medicines are to safeguard the balanced pancreas. मेरे कुछ 20-25% बचे होंगे अभी pancreas. So these medication I take is to safeguard and continue, maybe even lesser now, to safeguard whatever's left of my pancreas, so I can push it till its last limit.
Okay.
Maybe if it is even 5%. Then there are medications used to aggravate the pancreas for whatever's left of it. Then there is insulin that is given when required or when prescribed. Second biggest problem I see with people on insulin is that वो अपने आप छोड़ने लग जाते हैं. अरे आज कम हुआ थोड़ा सा तो कल कम लूंगा या लूंगी.
वो डर होता है, I feel उनके दिमाग में.
कि धीरे-धीरे बंद कर देंगे. नहीं होता वो धीरे-धीरे. Learn to live. ब्रश करना है रोज, नहाना है रोज. For most people who are hygienic.
Exactly.
इंसुलिन रोज लेना पड़ेगा जो भी प्रिस्क्राइब डोसेज है. अब डोंट self prescribe and self diagnose and self cure as people call it.
Because I think people need to understand कि like in our case, my pancreas don't function a bit, and I have to take injection. So even when I post something that about I'm taking injection and all, I want obviously people and the whole audience, and हमारा country तो is the national, is the
The world
diabetic
capital,
capital
yeah.
of the world, and it's like people, the more understanding is created, the better.
Yeah.
And I just hope that people understand and are more kind, and
Sensitive.
plus they shouldn't be showing sympathy. It needs to be replaced with empathy.
Yeah.
That is
Like-
something I hope people understand.
Yeah. You're like an echo chamber for me. मैं यहाँ से बोल रहा हूँ, तू वहाँ से बोल रहे हो, तुम वहाँ से बोल रहे हो, and then we're saying the same thing.
Because because we
It's a shared
go
feeling.
through it every
Yeah,
day. We
yeah,
know,
yeah.
and for us, more than taking insulin and all, it's insulin पे इतना दर्द नहीं देता है जो लोग
लोगों
देते
के,
हैं.
yeah. People's words break way worse.
Then that insulin.
Yeah. Are you shy of taking insulin in public?
No, मैं तो खुद I had gone to Goa, like on the beach. I was like, Mama, record this. I want to put it on my Instagram. See, I'm happy taking it. लोग देख रहे हैं मेरे को, मैंने बोला, I don't care. Let me take my insulin, यार. I'm
So-
proud of it.
Mom's been a diabetic for 20 years now.
Oh.
18 years, 20 years. We were at Cream Center, Andheri. अब बैठे हैं. Today to 7-8 years back when she was diagnosed. पहले उठती थी, she would go to one corner or in a room or the bathroom, she would take her insulin and come back. She was very ashamed of it. She said, अरे मुझे कैसे हो गया. अभी उस दिन गए थे, she was wearing her normal dress. No two shits given. She upped her dress, took her pen,
Wow.
did it, and she wiped her जो भी वो spirit cloth cotton से
correct,
किया, साफ किया, उस पर टेप लगा के बंद करके अपना बैठी है. This is in the restaurant, and I am not joking. I am so proud of her because someone who comes such a long way from not wanting to do it in front of a relative, her own sister, to doing it at a restaurant, not caring. People have loved it. She has about 250,000 views on that video.
Wow, that's
Because it's so
something to be proud.
empowering.
वही तो,
Like bringing that change for yourself that you want the world to see.
and that's good. At that age, she understands it.
Yeah,
Because-
sensitization.
Exactly, because most people, they वो age के age group में वो नहीं समझते हैं. They are
I
like,
saw mom
नहीं.
crying for the first time in probably 8-9 years
हाँ.
when she started talking about my diagnosis. Recently, she was like, she cried, and I was like, bro, this is not the right place for it. We will do an episode later. Like, someone had come to interview us. I said, we will do it later. You're not supposed to cry on this episode. This episode is for them. And it's a happy story.
Oh God.
This is the non-diabetic Harsh Kedia who I was.
हाँ.
So it's me before. So it's something that's coming up.
Oh, I'm
But very
excited.
interesting. Thank you so much, Kara. It's
But
been a lot of fun.
thank you so much, Harsh. This was such an amazing conversation, and I hope that all the diabetics are learning from it, not just diabetics, but people
People in
in general. Once again, thank you for being a part of Catch Up with Kiara.